Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really fast and easy pizza dough recipe. I have 618 grams of pizza flour, 402 grams of cold water, 15 grams of olive oil, 1.5 grams of instant yeast, and our last ingredient, 12 grams of salt. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So we'll get all of our pizza flour into our bowl. And I am using a new mixer. This is the Pro Baker 5 Plus by KYS Norway. And if you want to know more information about this mixer, I'll put a link down underneath this video in the description box. And then I'm going to take all of my yeast and get that in there. And I'll just hide that yeast in the flour. All of my salt. My olive oil. There we go. And my cold water. And I have been adding salt to my recipe at the beginning like this for well over 30 years. I have never had a batch that didn't work out. Now I'm going to close the safety cage. I'm going to turn the machine on and you'll see a nice little light come on inside the mixer here. Illuminates the whole interior of the bowl. I'll just come around this side and I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to take it up to about number 3, which is about 120 RPM. This machine is magic. It kneads dough so amazingly well. So I'm going to let this go for 14 minutes and then I'll come back. So my 14-minute timer just went off. But I just want to leave the mixer going just so that you can see the mixing action here at the end of the cycle. So you can see how well that machine is really moving that dough. Okay, so I'm going to lift up the safety cage. That's going to turn off the mixer. I'm also going to turn it off the main power in the back. As soon as I do that, you'll see the light in here go off. Perfect. So now at this point, I'm just going to remove the dough and then I'll come back. So I've just removed my dough. I'm just going to spray a little water on my scale. And then we're going to get the dough on there. And I have a reading of 1038 grams. So there we go. So I'm going to now split this into 3 equal dough balls and then I'll come back. So I've just divided all these up. What do we have here? So 344, 352, 350. We'll take a little bit off of this one. Take it down to 348. Add that on there. 347. So I think that's pretty good. Just grab the balls. I'm just going to push them down and then just onto themselves like this. Make sure I'm on camera. Flip it over. Get a nice dough ball. I have 3 bowls. I have sprayed these with olive oil. So just gently get them in there. There's one. If your dough's sticky, just put a little bit of water down on your table. Fold it in. Oh, yeast activity already happening on this one. Turn it around. That's nice. Scoop it up. right into your oiled bowl. And our last one. So I was going for a 65% hydration on this recipe, and I'm going to be doing a 48-hour cold ferment. I'm going to leave these on my counter about 20 minutes, and then they are going in for 48 hours before I use these doughs. And there we go. I just need to spray the top of those. I'm going to take those over to my sink. I'll spray the top with olive oil, and then I'm going to cover them with plastic wrap. So a little bit of plastic wrap on all your bowls. And there we go. And that's it. So 20 minutes on my counter, and then into the fridge for that 48-hour cold ferment. And to finish off my video, here are some photos of the baked pizzas. So all of my pizzas were baked in the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven for about 2 minutes. And I'm baking all my pizzas around 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 427 degrees Celsius. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you want to see a lot more pizzas that I have baked on the Gozney Arc XL, you can check those out over at my pizza channel, which is at Pizza Dough Pro on YouTube. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.